Crepes. Are they better quick and simple or gourmet level fancy? Today, we're testing 3 different styles of crepes to find out which one is the ultimate winner. Stick around for expert techniques. Welcome to Speedy Chef. Today, we're making 3 levels of crepes, from beginner-friendly to professional. So you can decide which one is best for you. Let's get started. Level 1. Easy crepes. Beginner-friendly. Pancake mix shortcut. Just add eggs, milk, and water. Basic toppings, bananas, hazelnut spread, whipped cream. Cooking method. Non-stick pan. No flipping required. Final touch. Drizzle with caramel sauce for extra sweetness. Flavor profile. Simple, sweet, and easy to make. Level 2. Classic French crepes. From scratch batter. Flour, eggs, sugar, vanilla, whole milk, homemade filling, strawberry compote and fresh whipped cream. Cooking method. Traditional skillet with thin batter spread. Flavor profile. Light, airy, and perfectly balanced. Level 3. Gourmet chef-style crepes premium ingredients. Brown butter batter with a hint of champagne. Sophisticated filling blackberry passion fruit curd. Advanced cooking technique. Cast iron crepe pan for even cooking. Presentation, rolled, layered, and garnished with gold-dusted berries. Flavor profile, rich, complex, and restaurant quality. Step 4. Taste, test, and verdict. Easy crepes. Perfect for beginners but lacks complexity. Classic crepes. Well-balanced, traditional, and always satisfying. Gourmet crepes. The most luxurious, elegant, and flavorful option. Final thoughts. Is gourmet worth the effort? Which level would you try? Now you know 3 ways to make crepes. Which one are you making first? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more expert cooking tips. Want to master more French desserts? Check out our Speedy Chef playlist for expert baking tips and recipes.